Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Azizdrives. Today we're going to drive those brutal machines behind me, but before we start talking about the cars, let me introduce you to Fabrizio.
Hi Aziz.
Hi Fabrizio, how are you? Thank you for being here.
Perfect.
Can you explain who are you and what are we doing today?
Hi, I'm Fabrizio. I'm the CEO of a car subscription company. The name of the company is Clyde, and today we'll have a race.
We'll have a race with... What are those cars?
Yes,
Why are they here?
Because by Clyde we cover every segment, from the micro mobility segment, so beginning with this car, to the big luxury segments, G-Wagon, Porsche Taycan. And we said we will have the first race with our first entrance car.
Oh my God. So basically I can get this car in a subscription that I pay monthly. And what is covered with the subscription?
Everything. One rate and everything included. Tires, insurance, the services, everything you have. One price, everything is good.
Very nice. So you have the microcars, and I could have a Taycan, for example.
Absolutely. Whatever you want.
Very interesting. So before we start the race, we have to decide who is driving which car. So I would like to have the Opel, but let's see.
Who's the better? Beginning. 1, 2, 3. Yes, I win. I will take the Citroën.
That's surprising, right? Fabrizio is taking the Citroën. I won. Before we start the race, let me introduce you to those very interesting machines that we have behind me, and both of them are basically built on the same platform. 471 kilograms, 8 horsepower and a top speed of 45 kph. Very fast, but very dangerous. And let me explain to you the danger. You have to be a skilled driver, because when we look at the car, you will notice that they have a very interesting suspension that tends to roll over if you overdo it. So we're having a full blast in a rally experience here. So without further ado, let's meet at the track. Fabrizio and I are going to do 3 challenges. One is going to be a slalom with both of those cars on time, and the faster one wins the game. The second one is going to be a reaction time. So we are going to do a drag race with the Opel Rocks and the Citroën Ami. And the third one is going to be a challenge, man versus man, Fabrizio versus me.
Amazing.
I'm very excited about the last one. I can't wait to see who wins. And then we're going to reveal the results in the end. So both of us are not going to know what the challenge result will be until we finish the challenge. So yeah, very excited. I think you should start first, right?
Okay, I will do it.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Good luck.
Happy race. Allez, vas-y, fonce!
Fabrizio's lap was crazy as hell. Yeah! Come on! Come on, Germany! Full speed here! Don't get one of these, because obviously 3 seconds penalty, turn around, full speed. Oh, it was already down. Come on! Come on! Oh my God. I hope that was enough. Shit, friends. The first race was very close. I don't know who won actually. Do you know who won?
Excellent. I'm very nervous about the second one. I love the competition.
Oh my God, the competition is great, but I mean, the cars are the same horsepower, right?
I think you have one more.
Yeah, but because of me, right?
Yeah.
Reaction time. So let's find out who the best is in the drag race. Fabrizio is taking it serious, man.
But I have a secret weapon.
You can tell he's taking it serious.
Did you know the latch controlled by the Citroën Ami? Just put the brake on, full gas, oh, and then go.
And I'm not really sure if I'm going to be able to beat him. We're going to have 3 races, and hopefully everything goes good. Ah! I think I'm in the lead.
Oh!
Come on, Opel!
Ah, come on!
Come on!
Ah!
Oh my God! That was a close one. I'm not really sure who won, but I think I was in the lead this time. My reaction time is pretty good.
Ready?
It's reaction time, Fabrizio. He missed the start.
Ah, vas-y.
I got the start right.
Ah.
That's what you get. Oh my God.
I have to make my launch control.
We have to do another one because
Shit.
the first one is not clear who won. The second one I won 100% guaranteed, but the first one is not clear. What's going on? What? Huh? Something is not right with my car. I think he won the first slalom race, but I did the second one here.
I am the better now.
Come on, Opel Rocks!
Yeah.
No, he beat me. Shit.
Yeah. I found a solution.
I think it's 1-1, friends. I think it's 1-1. I think I won the drag race, and I think Fabrizio won the slalom.
The camera.
So it's going to be the final challenge, the one I am best in, which is driving around the track. Although I can't say that this car is really something that you should drive around track, in all honesty. All right, friends, the first 2 races were very close. I think Fabrizio managed to win the first one. I think the second one was on me, but I'm not really sure. And now it's time for the ultimate duel. Man versus man, skill versus skill. I'm excited. What about you?
Me too.
Oh God.
I love it.
Yeah, let's just go. Okay, we're going to have a race. It's everything. Reaction time, corner speed, everything, man. This is everything on the line. Clyde versus Azizdrives. Yeah! Come on!
Allez, vas-y.
We are head to head on the first corner. I'm taking the inner line. Oh shit!
Oh, fuck me!
It's a close one. No mistakes here. Fully on the throttle. He got a better off speed, I guess. It's about everything. He's close next to me. Oh shit! Ah, he took the better line. Come on! Come on! It's a close one!
Ah, come on! No!
Holy shit! That was fucking crazy, man. I couldn't believe it was so close. It was so close. This was crazy, man. I got him in the first one. In the first corners I was ahead, and then he somehow was a little faster. Crazy stuff, man. And we finished, it was a drag race, man. We finished, it was just who was a little bit faster. Crazy. Fabrizio, the race was absolutely
that was
insane.
fun, man. Wow, it's incredible.
Very good driver, man. I think
you too.
I don't know who won. We were head on in the last few meters, so I think whoever won, we have to do it again, but this time on time, right?
Perfect.
Time challenge.
Okay.
Let's go. All right. Now time. Yeah, come on! 20, 30, 40. Okay, we gotta drive racing line, friends. I can't lose against Clyde. Okay, very close here. Up the hill. Use the momentum very nicely through here. Over the curb. There's not even a curb, but imagine it to be very close, full on the throttle out here. Come on! Come on, man! Now, inside this line, oh shit, a little bit of understeer. Use all the momentum. Come on, Opel Rocks! Rock this shit! Across the line! This might be the most genius thing we have ever done. Holy crap. Good luck, Fabrizio.
Allez, go, go. Allez, hop, hop, hop. C'est la partie la plus intéressante. On a ici. C'est là où il faut le niquer. On avance, on avance, on avance. Go, 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 go. Allez, vas-y, c'est pas possible. C'est là où il faut le niquer. Vas-y. Ah.
Oh my God, Fabrizio wants to do a challenge of the best 360s.
The 360 with this car, you can only make if you have the balls.
But I'm not really sure if I want to do that. Why are you forcing me to do that, man? I was there when the car flipped over in Monaco. I think he wants me to flip over. I think he really wants me to flip over. Fabrizio, do you want me to flip over?
Exactly, is what I'm saying. 360, only you can make when you have balls.
All right. Bet.
My God.
Only when you have balls. Let's see. Let's see who does the 360.
With this car, it's crazy.
Should I go first?
Be my guest.
All right, let's see. 360. He wants a 360. I'm gonna give him a 360.
He's scared. He's scared.
The wet part, and now comes the party trick here. 360. You're gonna see a 360. Ah shit! I messed up. I'm going for another shot. Maybe like this. I can do a 360! Oh shit! He's going next! Is he going to do a 360? I don't know. Holy shit, he's trying it actually on the torment. I genuinely believe, I think he's certifiably crazy. This is not even a joke. I think he's certifiably crazy. I thought I was the crazy one. But as it seems, Fabrizio doesn't give a shit. This doesn't sound good. All right, it's time for the reveal. Rafi, please tell us, how was it? Who won the first race?
I have the numbers right here. First race for the slalom, we have Aziz with 22.45 seconds and Fabrizio with 23.23 seconds in the slalom.
First race went on me.
Yes.
First race went on me.
You have one more. It's fine.
Yeah, because of me, right? And what about the drag race?
Drag race was super close, but there we had Fabrizio coming in first.
Oh, come on, 1-1. Yes,
shit,
he's good.
So 1-1 for the drag race and for the slalom.
Then
Now we had the race, you guys together on the street. That was really close, but Aziz came first, like 10 centimeters ahead.
oh, come on.
Okay, but we did the time challenge.
We did the time challenge,
so this
but
one is the finalized. It's one each, right? I won the first race. Now how about the second one?
it was also very close. We had Aziz in the timed race with 58.59 and Fabrizio with 58.84 seconds.
Holy shit, Fabrizio.
Very close.
That was 300 for the decision.
We need a revenge.
For me, Azizdrives, I told you, I should be called Aziz Wins, goddammit. But it was only 300, so I am willing to do a revanche.
Absolutely. We need to.
Let's do it again. Let me know if you want to see this content more. It was a beautiful day with beautiful experience. Make sure to check us out. Instagram, check out Clyde, check out the website and the products obviously, because those cars are up for the subscription and other beautiful machines. Thank you very much. Thank you Fabrizio very much also. Thank you Rafi.
Thank you, Rafi.
Wish you a beautiful weekend and see you on the next one. Goodbye.